Another example of this happened much later on. And this is one of the pharaohs, Akhenaten was his name, and he has the Psalms of Akhenaten. And this is really beautiful. Think of Surah Hujurat in the Quran itself. This is from the Psalms of Akhenaten. In number 9, he says, "How manifold are your works, though hidden from sight, O sole God, beside whom there is none. You created earth according to your desire, you alone. All people, cattle, and all kinds of animals, all on earth that walk on legs, and all on high that fly with wings. You set every person in his or her place and satisfy their needs." Of Razak. All have food, and their time of life is determined. Ajalun musamma. It's determined. Their tongues differ in speech, and so do their characters. The color of their skins are different also, for you distinguish the people. How excellent are your ways, O Lord of eternity. Look at the tawhid in this. And you will find this in ancient writings. It's a whole study within itself.